Hello folks, we're working with Plant-H19. Now this plant is clustering, and if you notice, the pictures aren't that large. Now if you read the Hummer article in the Carnivorous Plant newsletter, it says that the Hummer usually takes about 3 years to develop full-size pictures. I can tell you this plant is a year old right now. And all the other bubble giants you see, they're also a year old. So the bubble giant definitely have a significant advantage over growing the Hummer, but either one, they're beautiful. One just takes a lot more patience for you to see their big picture, the big picture, excuse me. So, looking at this, I can see that although it's clustering, there's really not a whole lot that needs to be done. Maybe here, if you can see, down in the nook, there is a picture forming right there. So I'm going to remove that because there's really no way this thing's going to develop well. Actually, there's two. So 1, 2. And then over here, you see 2 little tiny ones. So it's gotten enough pictures. So another theory that I have is, if you remove most of the developing pictures and leaving just the mature ones, all of the energies that would have gone to picture development is going to root development. Again, that's just a hypothesis. There's really no way I can validate that or test that, growing wise. And I don't think it's really worth it to figure that one out. That's just trivial. So I see a picture growing sideways, so I think there's room to maneuver it to grow this way. And I believe this is where it should be growing. Let me see. Let me move this picture. Okay, it should be growing this way. So this is his new home. There you go. And this picture down here is doing well, but it's kind of, let me see if I can maneuver it and give this guy a new home. There we go. Do you see that? New home. This one is now up, and where should it be growing? It should be growing, okay, it should be growing down this way, right here. You know what, this guy's in the way, so I'm gonna have to remove it. There we go. So other than that, I think it's doing pretty well. All right. Well, there's a whole bunch of little ones. You can probably see, if you can see, you can see it now, right? So let me put a light on it, and I'm going to remove all of them. Here's the first one. Here's the second one. Third one. But this little thing back here is not doing anybody any good. So this here, I'm gonna have to remove it. Let me see if I can just hold on to this and just twist. There we go. All right, so now there's room. Okay, so overall, I'm happy with the arrangement on this plant. No need to do any more to it. This little thing here, it looks kind of out of place. But you know what, I'll leave it alone. It's a good filler. So, before we let it go, let's feed these pitchers here, let me see, these three. And then on the other side, we have this one right here, this one. I'll feed these 4 right here. So all right, that's it for this plant. What do you guys think? Thank you for watching and have a great day.